It's like you're looking through a telescope. You see where you're gonna be. Growing, getting better. You're not the person they see. Can't be mad at the things you've been through, cause they built your muscle.
You know what? We're family women. We come
Yes.
from a big family. We have a family of it's 9 children, mom and dad. Like, the greatest fun that we have is when we're all together, laughing, eating, watching shows, or
Yes.
you know, just fun. Like, that's what we do. Like,
And you got your God, he gon' take you there.
it feels
it
good
does
doing
feel weird to
Definitely
watch
feels weird to watch
yourself on TV.
because we're
like,
not used
oh my
to
God,
seeing
yeah.
us just do our regular lives. So to see it, it's like, wow, you hurt my feelings doing that. God, you're a little rude.
Get your blessing.
I love your questions.
Good questions, yeah.
Get